Squarespace has just rolled out yet another game-changing feature, and this time it's the ability to save a section, but not only to your site, to your entire account dashboard. Now, this was previously reserved for enterprise members, and so I've had access to this, I don't know, maybe 6 months or something like that. Now, all Circle members, so all Squarespace Circle members can access this feature, and it is phenomenal. So think about it like this. If you are working on multiple sites and you want to bring one section from one site to another site, there was previously no way to do this apart from a third-party plugin. I mean, shout out to Square Websites because that was a sick plugin and I do still use it. But now Squarespace has this natively. So let's say I'm on my site. I'll take you onto it now. And I have, all these sections that I want to utilize. All I have to do is find the page that I want to save a section from. So I'll take this hero section here. If I click on this save section icon, it's going to prompt me to say, do you want to save it to this site or do you want to save it to your account? If I click your account, I can name this section. So I'll say by Crawford, to say what site it's from. And then I'll say about, and then I'll say hero. Save. So we give it a name. And let's say I want to just add it to a new site. So I'll quickly go into my dashboard here and I will, I'll go into this site. So this is a bit of a starter kit website that I use for some clients. If I go into edit, add section, and then I can go into saved sections here. And you'll see you've got this site and you've got your account. So you can differentiate between, okay, what sections have I got saved on the site itself, but then you can pull in from all these different sites on the site that you're using. Now, with this one, we have used like tons of custom code. So we used basically strike through. If you look here, we use strike through to create some coding elements. So the code, it won't copy across. And that's something that you're going to have to contend with if you do add code to your sections. But you can see all the base elements have come across. The image, the images, should I say, the gallery, the button, the text, and the colors. So all you have to do is just resize this to your liking. Let's say maybe bring this up, or maybe keep that down actually. And there we go. So I've just taken in let's say 30 seconds, an entire section full of content from one site to another without having to use any plugin. Only difference is, a slight bit of coding, but you can bring that code across as well. You can just simply copy and paste it onto the new site. So this is a complete game changer. If you are someone who works across multiple sites and likes to recycle sections, if you have a good section as a designer, you are best placed to then reuse it in other sites, because if that works, if that section is proven to work for one client, it will probably work for another client. And sometimes I have it where clients will say, I love that section from that site, or I love that page. You can now bring that across to their site and make it theirs. Like you can go ahead and customize this further. You can change the images. Maybe you just wanted the layout. Well, you can do all of that. So this is, again, it's not like one of those things where you go, oh, this is a game changer. But over time, you will realize just how powerful this is. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.